Hello Paj lovers, what's going on? Well, guess who's back for 2021? This old girl. Well, I'm saying she's back. I'm going to do the first start up in a very long time. I'll just put radiator back in. Still got the intercooler to put on, but we've got some water in it and hopefully there's enough meat in the battery to kick it over. Let's see how we go. Alright, first time in a very long time. Don't know if we'll have enough volts to kick it over there, but let's give it a go. That's a no then. Okay. Yep, she's totally dead after putting some effort on. Alright, we'll chuck the battery charger on and come back later. Hippo Paj start, take 2. It's better. It's running. It's alive! She's sooty. Alright, well, I need to see why my water gauge is not working. But everything else seems to be working alright. We got no boost gauge also. Huh, silly me, the intercooler pipe's off. Duh! Alright, so nothing fancy in today's video, people. Just want to show you that in 2021 we're going to be getting this baby back out on the tracks, and for all you Paj lovers, we'll be having plenty more videos playing in the mud with the big fat hippo here. Someone told me if I remove the cap from this I'll get more power. What do you reckon? Remove it or not?